Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to use Shield in Lasty Survival Shooter. In Lasty Survival Shooter, the shield feature isn't for combat. It's a protective piece shield designed to guard your base. It provides temporary protection from your HQ or shelter, keeping it safe from raids when you're offline or during certain events. To use it, first obtain shields from alliance shops, the item shop, or your warehouse. Then go to your walls and tap the defense option. Under buffs, you'll find shelter defense of the piece shield. Activate one if you own it, or purchase one with diamonds. Shield comes in three durations: 8 hours, 24 hours, and 3 days. Choosing the right duration depends on your activity schedule and how vulnerable your base is. Using the peace shield strategically not only preserves your resources, but also ensures your HQ remains fully fortified, giving you complete peace of mind while you're away. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.